I'm assuming you're watching this because you like to do electronics repairs and you were wondering whether this tape was worthwhile or not. And I'm going to answer that question, but I am also going to bring up a really cool different use which you might not have thought of. That's right, my RC cars. I am always both modifying them and breaking them in all different ways. They are filled with all kinds of electronics which I have to repair and or secure to the chassis. And this double-sided tape is so perfect for that. It works great if I have to take apart of the radio, repair something, and I need weird pieces of electronics. So frequently everything's like hot glued or something like that. This works great for attaching things. I really like to attach things to the chassis. It's like a super secure connection, yet I can always pry it off, get it off, and redo it if I need to change something around. So in any case, the obvious answer is if you're repairing cell phones or electronics where you need a really good quality double-sided tape, this is going to work. If you want to do something more interesting like upgrade and modify your RC cars, boats, planes, strong double-sided tape is good for all kinds of stuff. Overall, I really wanted to come by, share that my experience with this has been really good. I mean, it absolutely has been really good. You could use it for normal electronics. You could use it for crazy stuff that Doug makes up. I hope this was helpful. We'll see you next time.